Well, evolution is happening pretty fast here. This was coffee pot number 2, and it served its purpose. It was a hand-me-down, but it had a lot more functionality than the one before it, which just had one switch. This had a few switches. It did have automatic timer and so forth. It was a Brawn and a few other options, but what we're going to do is just throw this one away. And make way for this guy. This is a Cuisinart. It's a model CHW-12. And as you can see, it's got a lot more features. Definitely more than one switch and more than 4 buttons. You can see here's the instructions. With some features and benefits. You can, it's optimized if you want 1 or 4 cups. You can set the time, set the this will tell you when it cleans. This is the craft temperature to tell you if you want it low, medium, or high. Auto on, auto off. Auto off will turn it off after 4 hours. You can program it and set the clock, and then or just override all that and brew it. It does have a permanent filter, but you can put in your own cone filters as well. And then it has this thing, which you can put in a charcoal filter, and that'll filter out any tap water. And then it also has this thing, which specifically is for hot water. Also has a charcoal filter holder, and I think that holds up to 13 ounces. You turn it on, the water's ready. It tells you when it's hot enough, and then you just press this, and then the water comes down. And then here's a little drip tray for that as well. If you want to lock it and not press it down, you can do that as well. So yeah, that's it's definitely evolution moving pretty fast here as far as coffee makers go, because as you can see, I've went through, this is my 3rd and not too much time, but I don't think I'll be needing a new one anytime soon. Yeah, so it looks great for a cup of coffee, and if you want, you can put a little cream in it to bruise it up. There's a full-time reservation made at a bar at a railway station, and there's a story, a kind of fable, on a card at the Carter table. Starts off the coffee tasted so fine. It says one day this may find you. These few words may just remind you. We sat here together just to pass time. So fine. It goes on to say I love you. If you should find this, I must hear from you. It gives a number, but the name has faded away. All that is left are just the words, maybe someday. That's the story.